Muathe.com with a quick follow-up. Over the last couple of series of videos, we've been taking a look at intraday trading, and here is a quick update. Now it's almost a day and a half after the last video, I believe, and we can see that the resistance line on the Canadian hourly has come in play. As we can see here, it has moved lower over the last 2 days. After that resistance, this is the hourly, so that resistance was actionable. If we take a look at the 30-minute chart, again we see that the levels we were watching for resistance did actually end up giving us areas to add on to a short position. Ultimately we see this pullback, and on the 5-minute chart we can see that there is this line that we had drawn previously. In fact, if you take a look at this line, there was an attempt to clear this line here that gave the actual intraday high right there, and that was only to confirm that it was showing resistance on that line. And again, let me draw it a little different. So the line we had drawn previously was right there. So this was a decline in the technicals while prices were making new highs, and then the stock did try to clear that line. But ultimately, if you take a look at what happened here, if we draw it, let's draw it that way, is this is a fake move, is what I'm trying to show you. Because if we take this break and extend it out like that, you can see that we hit this level right there with uniform action, and that was the exact intraday high right there. And after that, you can see the market did respond by giving us a good trade to the downside. And there's one other quick observation. If you take the lows line connecting here and this low, it gives us this break point. Once we break below that line there, we come off the highs. So we take that line and extend it. Should be something like that, and you can see that it gives us the other short-term high, which is this high right there, because of this backtest failure. So one more time, let's do that one more time. So we're going to draw this line like that, and you can see it turns into backtest failure on the RSI retest of that line here, which corresponds with that high right there. So also from another intraday timing perspective, that was another place to take a short position and enjoy part of this move down. Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. Ashi.